All right, guys. My name is Aric. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Spider-Man movie without a green screen at home, and it's class 101. Do you guys know how the science fiction scene was shot in Spider-Man? Well, you may have green screens, and yes, green screens are widely used to replace background footage of a movie shot, just like Miss Spider-Man here. You know, in order to film, Miss Spider-Man has to step on a stool, spread his leg widely, and pretend to be cool. But after we replaced the green screen background, what we finally saw in the movie was Spider-Man traveling between skyscrapers, fighting evils, and remaining classic, all credit to green screens. Green screen is cool, but the actual setup process is still quite difficult. So can we shoot a science fiction scene without a green screen? Well, yes, our team has proposed a machine learning-based algorithm. It learned how to cut out the foreground object automatically. Basically, with our algorithm, you can shoot in any background environment, not just green screens. You can shoot your home, the park, subway station, or any part of the world. And our algorithm can still replace any background you want. You may say, that sounds pretty much like the virtual background function in Zoom. Well, we can do much better. Our algorithm can process far more details compared to Zoom. We can process things such as every single hair pieces, or fibers on your sweater, or extremely thin spider net that looks almost transparent. It is those fine details that make the picture look more realistic, and our algorithm can capture them all. With the help of our algorithm in the future, I hope everyone can dress up as their favorite Marvel heroes, because when the world is your green screen, everyone can be their own superhero. Thank you so much.